and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger, this is Disney, and this is our friend E. He's going to join us on his POV adventure here at Space Mountain at the Magic Kingdom on a rainy afternoon. Right behind us, it says 30 minutes, but I have a feeling it's not really 30 minutes. But that's what it says. I think we can just walk on. We're gonna go test it on this rainy day here at the Magic Kingdom. Hey, come join us.
Docking crew stand by to initiate unload procedures.
Talk to every one of us, and I'm like, who are you? Yeah. Everyone's like, oh, my hair's my hair's top. I would Thanks again, everyone, for joining us on this Disney Stranger point of view ride of
Space Mountain!
in 4K. We really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out these POV adventures. And before we go, there's one thing I have to say, or at least this D has to say. What is that?
Don't forget to walk forward!
And have a great day.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.